chairman of FC Fanima Football Club. It's an emotional moment again for me. Standing here to present this award of distinction to Ambassador Bianca Onurudu as Grand Patron of FC Fanima Football Club. Let me tell you that I've enjoyed continued working with you to ensure that the legacies left for us by our evergreen leader gets on day by day. In the last election, we combined and worked very hard using Ezebo's name to mobilize our people, and they responded in an amazing way. Let me tell you, you've carried this task with dignity. You've continued to bring respect and honor to that name, Dean Chukwuemeka Onurudu. God will always bless you and your children. So on behalf of Dr. Fanima, I present to you this award of distinction as a Grand Patron of FC Fanima Football Club. Thank you.
Please put your hands together for her.
I know this one is heavy. It's just like this. You get it out, the crystal ball is heavy, 5 kilograms. You can lift it, look at it. So that's it. Yes.